Back here the next day. Wow. Wonder how that happened. That's new. Sweet. Cool. Well, that's that. Anyway, so the plan for today, I got 11 hay bales and I got 800 feet of silt fence. So I'm gonna strategically put that in areas that I've already worked. I got wetlands here, so I don't want them breathing down my neck. So I'm gonna try and do everything right, keep them happy. These 4 pine stumps I'm looking at, they might look small, but I actually already pulled a few over here. And if you do excavation, you know what a taproot is. If you look at it, you can see why they're so hard to pull out. They just go, they have a few around the outside and then they all go right down underneath the stump. Alright, I got my section of fence that I wanted to get up done. I'm not going to put any more up until I finish clearing what I have to clear. I don't know if anybody has any insight, but they told me I got to put this up before I do anything. I don't get how that's possible, though, if you can't even walk through the property. So, yeah, I'm clearing, and then when I get a section clear, I put the fence up. So, got that part up. So all I'm doing now is digging a shallow trench along the perimeter of the fence, and then I'm going to tuck that in the trench, backfill it, and then the fence, it won't go anywhere. It'll have a good seal and we'll be good to go. When I clear this side of the driveway area, I'll do the same thing. It worked out good, at least now I have fence on hand. So, yep, we'll get that finished up today, and that'll be about it.